Hello, my name is Alec. I'm the Technical Manager at Quelfire. In this short video, I just wanted to briefly talk about service penetration fire testing, specifically pipework. So again, we use the BSEN 1366 Part 3 test standard to do our testing, and in there is guidelines on how we test things. Each type of pipework has specific categories. So obviously we have plastic pipework, but that has single layer. So we're talking about just CPVC. But there's also considerations for what's known as MLC, multi-layer composite pipes. Obviously, then you have metal pipework that has different considerations. And we follow the guidelines for that. Typically, when we're doing the testing, we will test in certain ways. So when we're talking just a single specimen through a wall, what is known as, say, a direct-to-wall seal, or through a floor, we will test that as an individual specimen in a certain location using the appropriate seal, be it a fire collar, sealant, etc. However, when we're talking about multi-service sealing, typically what we do is we have a builder's working connection opening, a letterbox, and then we will test in certain manners. So with plastic pipework and metal pipework, we often test in what's known as the cluster method, and you'll see a picture of that on the screen now. And the reason why we test that is because at Quelfire, we want to try and test the worst case scenario. This offers the widest scope of application for our customers. So testing in this manner allows us to reduce the spacing for certain applications instead of having to stick to the spacing requirements of 13.7 in the standard, where you would need 100 mil, because 100 mil spacing between all service types is sometimes unrealistic on a lot of projects. So for example, here where you've got clusters of air conditioning type pipes, we tested solutions where you can have the services say 0 mil, or you could at least have the fire stop 0 mil. We typically try and test these also in the corner of the aperture, so again we can get that spacing. Obviously, when you're designing the building, we don't advise you stick to our minimums, but we like to have that flexibility that for some reason where some services need to be a bit closer together or your aperture can't be that big, that Quelfire have the solutions to help you out. If you need any information about all our details, please reach out to the technical team. All of our information about spacing, what is allowed, what's not allowed, the products that are used are shown on our detailed drawings. There is a great link on our website to the detailed drawings, or use the very useful tool, the Quell Selector. But if you have any information how we test pipework, please reach out to me and I'll be more than happy to help. Thank you very much.